Hi friends, welcome back to the channel Job Updates by Verma. I give daily job updates as well as career guidance, interview tips, interview experience. If you are coming first time in our channel, do subscribe because it gives us motivation and you will get this type of videos. Let's get started. Today's discussion of job is about Hack with Infi. So it's a coding round, basically coding challenge is being organized by Infosys for the 2022, 23, 24 and 25 batches. So all the freshers batches are eligible for this round and lots of prizes are there. What will be the eligibility criteria, how you do the registration, everything I'm going to discuss in this video. So watch till end so that you can clear your doubts. So let's get started. So the program name is Hack with Infi. It's a coding competition. It's for the students who are graduating in 2023, 24 and 25 across the India. And this will be going to uh, big opportunity for those candidates. The top performance will earn the chance of work with Infosys, and I will share this registration link in the description box. You can find it from there. Before going to jump into that registration link, let me show you the eligibility criteria and the prices. So the prices mainly they have discussed rupees of 2 lakh you will get. The winner will get, the first runner up will get 1 lakh rupees, the second runner up will get 50,000 rupees, and top 100 finalists from the round 1 will compete in the grand final and get a pre-placement interview opportunity and the internship opportunity for the technical roles at Infosys. So it's a great opportunity, I will say. And now I'm going to discuss about the eligibility criteria. So the participants' age must be greater than of 18 years. Participants must be from the BE, BTech, ME, MTech students graduating in 2013, 24, 25 batches. Company reserves the right to request the proof of age. Participants are deemed to accept the terms of conditions. So, what is the registration process? You need to first create your account with the HackInfi profile, and then you need to do the registration. You need to do participate. The event is completely free, no registration charges are taken from you. So you just need to do the registration. So the after registering with HackInfi on the InfiTQ platform, the participant will agree to allow the Infosys retrieve participant informations. So Hack Infi with Infosys will occur on round one will occur on March 6th, 7th, and 8th, 2022. An online individual participation round will occur. The assessment platform that will be the round one, that one, and the final round will be the happen between July 1 to July 4, 2022. This will going to happen 48-hour hackathon program. This will be, and this is the grand final round. Okay, the top 100 participant from the round 1 will complete or compete in the 4-day grand final in July 2022. The finalist will also get an opportunity to get the pre-placement interview and internship opportunity from technical roles of Infosys. So round one will happen through Infosys Assessment Platform, which is known as IAP, and the platforms will be very easier to access and easy to handle. So you will get a chance to do that thing, and also you can get the certification if you are clear those rounds. The round one, if you clear, then Infosys certification advantage round you will able to participate. So hope for this yeah, best you can challenge it and you can do better in this examination. Try to crack this exam, do very well in this examination, in this coding examination. If you want any preparation guidance, I will definitely show you. I will definitely try to share with you the previous year questions. So let me know in the comment box if you require this kind of questions or not, if you require any practice set or guidance or not. So now jumping to the registration steps, how you will get the registration done. Just click on the register now button, then it will go to the InfyTQ login platform or the login page. There you need to create your account first with your personal details as well as your educational details. Then you need to submit, then application will be complete for you. So hope I am able to clear your doubts. And let me share with you the CTC they have discussed. Minimum 3.5 LPA and maximum range is 8 LPA. So if you are doing very well in this examination, then you are getting a chance to get highly paid job, 8 LPA job. So all the best to the batch 2023, 24, and 25. So try to crack this examination, and don't forget to share this news with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. We will meet in next video with new job updates.